Buona giornata and welcome to my channel. My name is Stefania. So today we are going to do a lip swatch video. I picked up a lot of lipsticks on my Sephora Vib. I did just do that haul, so make sure you check that video out. I'll pop it up here. But I decided that I would do a separate video with all the lip choices I had because I went a little crazy on the lips. Lipstick is one of those things, or lip glosses, where I feel like I can change it up throughout the day and it's like super easy to do. So I get a lot of use out of them compared to like other products where you're not gonna like put on like 2 different bronzers a day. You know what I mean? Maybe you do. That's fine. But you know what I mean. So I have some new Hourglass glosses, Pat McGrath, Milk, Becca, Bobbi Brown. I got a lot here. So we are going to try them on. I also feel like it's useful in different skin tones to actually see swatches because I feel like a lot of people that are I tend to watch a lot of like paler YouTubers sometimes, and I'm like, they'll recommend a shade and then I try it on and I'm like, oh no, this is not a nude on me. Like, this looks completely different. So hopefully this will be useful to you guys as well. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that like button. It really means a lot to me. And let's go ahead and try on some lipstick. This is like the nude Sephora Vib sale haul, pretty much. They're all nudes. Spoiler alert, just beware. Okay, you're nice and close in so you can see what I am doing. We will start with the Pat McGrath ones. Do you like how this monster on my freaking forehead came up today? Like, I'm just like, thank you. Thank you for ruining my life. And then sometimes I'll put like the pink, like the Mario Badescu thing to like take them off. But I forget that it's on there and I'll like leave the house like that. And I'm just like, oh wow. I just walked around and grocery shopped with a giant pink like dot on my face. Whatever. Okay, so the Pat McGrath ones are definitely pricey. I have like 3 really no, that's a lie. I have a lot of pricey ones, but for the most part, I only pick these up during a sale. I never pick them up the rest of the time, unless it's like, she does have little minis. If you guys are interested in those, I have done a lip swatch of those ones, but I love the formula. This is probably it is one of my favorites. It's one of my top 3. So I got the shade Prima Donna, which is this pink. All right, it looks a little bit scary in the tube, so I'm hoping it's not like this rose color. I just want it to be a pale pink, but we will see. And I like pigmented glosses. I'm not really like a clear gloss person. Even though I usually wear them over a lipstick, I still want them to have some color, or else I don't see the point of like paying, you know, as much as I paid for these. So we're just gonna do a rough swatches. I should probably get a mirror rather than trying to look in the monitor and do this. Okay, so I definitely like this shade. It is pink. It's a little bit more rosy than I wanted it to be. I want it to be like almost like a baby pink, but still a really pretty color. But yeah, I did use a lip liner with all these. I used Morphe's Honeymoon just to kind of give my lips a shape. I still feel like even with a gloss, I need some type of fillage, you know, but this is the natural color. I did not fill it in, you know what I mean? I didn't fill my lips all the way in so you guys could see how they actually wore. But yeah, I wish this was like a little bit more like brighter pink, like a babier pink, where it's really more of like a mauve pink, but it's still really pretty. I'm not like upset about it, but I mean, it's nice because I probably have a lot of baby pinks in my collection. But moving on, we are going to try out Faux Real next. Oh, I like this one. I can already tell. And I feel like these are very, like, you only need 1 swipe. You're good to go. They're very nice and juicy. They give that juicy effect, but they're not, like, sticky. Like, my lips don't stick together or anything like that. The one thing with glosses that, in general, it's like I love the look of them. I don't necessarily love that your hair gets caught in them. But this is definitely by far not like super sticky. There's ones where like your mouth, like you just have a hard time where you're just like, bleh, bleh, you know, but this is not like that. So these are still one of my favorite formulas. I think I like this shade better than the last. But like I said, it's nice to have something new in my collection, so I'm not upset about it. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Like, should I exchange it for a different color? Let me know what you guys think. Dare to Bear, I have it in a mini and I love that one. I think maybe that's what I was expecting it to be. More of a shade like that. But this Faux Real shade is just like that natural, nudie, perfect like lip gloss. Okay, so next up we have the Hourglass one. This one, definitely, I was not planning on getting. I know I said I wasn't going to get this in my new makeup releases, or I said I would pick up a shade eventually, but they were on the counter and the lady's like, did you see these? We just got these in, because she saw me looking at glosses, and I was like, all right, it's the Sephora Vib, so I will look at it. So I spent like 30 minutes looking at them, I'm not gonna lie. I'm that person that like has to swatch every single shade and then be like, now I need to swatch my favorite 3, and then I narrowed it down to 2, and so I got 1. I was good with that. So I got the shade Unreal. The packaging is gorgeous. I have to sneeze. I know it's coming. Maybe it will go away. I hope so. Okay, so sorry. But this is the shade Unreal, another nude. I like the packaging. It does look expensive, but I think this was like 30 bucks. So that's why I was like, I would only buy this on sale. This is what the doe foot looks like, which I'm not mad at. I'm okay with this. I'll show you one doe foot that I don't love in a second. These are very spearminty smelling, which I don't mind at all. I think that's like a really nice smell. It's not like super strong where it's like you're overwhelmed by it, but it is a nice, like, I don't know, I like spearmint for summer. It's like refreshing, you know what I mean? Okay, so I lied to you guys. This is called Child. I guess they all say Unreal at the top. But I love this shade. It's like in between, like it's definitely still a nude, but it has like a pinky. Usually they come in 2s. I'm not a gentle sneezer. It's just, it is what it is. But I really, really like this shade. I like the formula a lot. I wouldn't say it's a thin formula. It's definitely a little bit thicker. It does remind me a lot of the Pat McGrath ones, but with that spearmint smell, where the Pat McGrath ones, I don't think I can smell anything in them. No, it's like a sweeter smell. So Pat McGrath, sweet. This is more spearminty. You guys can tell by the packaging, like what they kind of look like. I like the packaging of both like equally. Like I still think that they're really pretty. You can tell that these are higher end than other glosses. But yeah, I love the shade. I did wear this for a day. It's super comfortable on the lips. I don't really have any complaints. Same thing, it's not like doing that thing where I feel like I'm having a hard time like opening my mouth. So I would highly recommend checking these out, and I love this shade. I do wish they had more peachier tones in there. They had a lot of like the glitter ones, but they had a really wide range. Like I think they had over 20 glosses. So definitely check these out if you are looking for a new overpriced gloss. Okay, and then last actual gloss that I bought was this Artist Couture in Climax. I was a little bit nervous to buy this because I feel like the reviews were super mixed. Like people either loved it or they hated it. I have worn it before. You guys can just tell like the sparkles in this thing are insane. Look how much it matches my background. But it is a thicker formula for sure. Still not like, I don't think it's goopy at all. I like that all these have like really good stoppers. I will say that about all the glosses. There are certain stoppers and glosses that like drive me crazy. Like Kylie Cosmetics, the high glosses, another one of my absolute favorites. But the stopper to get the product is like very flimsy, I feel like. So you get way too much and it's almost like a goop on your applicator, and I don't like that because I feel like I'm wasting product. But this, I will deal with the thickness of it because I just love the actual gloss. Like I know that we have plenty of like sparkly glosses out there, but this one, I'm gonna actually zoom you guys in. But hopefully you guys can tell you can actually like see the shimmer as you turn your lips. It literally looks like crushed like diamonds in there. Like it is a diamond gloss. Like it's not just like glitter. It's very finely milled glitter, whereas as you turn your face, you can see all the flecks, which is what I really, really like about this one. So yeah, this is in the shade Climax. Like I said, it is a thicker gloss, but it's still comfortable to me. I don't know why all the reviews got a crappy one. The only thing I could think of, the applicator kind of sucks. I'll say that. I don't like, it has one of those ones where it's like the hole in the middle where supposedly like that carries more product, so you only have to do one dunk. But it's very flimsy as far as the applicator goes, so I get worried that like this is almost like, it's kind of like a tester pretty much, you know, and I'm just like, is this gonna end up falling off into my gloss? Because I will be very upset if that happens. But yes, this is again Climax Artist Couture. Very happy with it. Okay, so now let's get into the lipsticks. So I used Kylie's Caramel Lip Liner for these ones. I just feel like I needed a brown to show off all these beautiful nudes. I don't think I could ever not just wear nude lipstick. I mean, I love colorful lipsticks too, but nudes are just my go-to. Like, I'm willing to spend money on nudes, whereas like colorful ones that I'm not gonna wear often, I'm definitely a little bit more like, I'm gonna find you at the drugstore, you know? So this is East Coast Bay. It is a collab with Bobbi Brown. And I love it. It's so pretty. It's definitely a like lighter nude shade, but it's like it's a good nude. I was gonna say the perfect one. I don't know if I still haven't found like my perfect nude, but this is close. I think this is in collaboration with Tanny Panson, and then there's another influencer as well, and I think this is actually her shade, but it doesn't say anything on the box. And I love how the box has like the ombre packaging, but gorgeous one. I couldn't really find one in the like normal colors it came in that I liked. They were all a little bit too light for me or too dark. Like I just couldn't find a perfect one, and I feel like this is it. Okay, and then I picked up the Urban Decay Peach Puff, which I have not picked up an Urban Decay product in a while, so I was looking at them. I usually don't like stuff like this. It has like one of those squishy things at the top that I'm just like not into. But I loved this shade. This isn't like a super nude. This is definitely like a peachy pink nude. And 5 hours from now, we will get some product. So that's what I don't like, is like you guys could see it went from white to like the color, and I just don't like that part of it. But I wore this for hours. It smells so good. It smells like peaches. But this was one I could wear without a liner. This is gonna go in my gym bag. I feel like this is the perfect, it's not too nude to where I need a lip liner. Like, it's that perfect like grab and go type shade. So that's what I really liked about it. I mean, the applicator feels nice on your lips. I just don't like the way it looks. You know, I think that's what it is. But this stayed on really well, so comfortable. And what I like about it is that it's not like a matte, but it's also not, like, it doesn't completely dry down, but it doesn't transfer as easy as a normal lipstick does. Like, if I wait here for a minute, yeah, I mean, it's gonna have a little bit of transfer, but it's not, like, you can't really see that. You know what I mean? So the tiniest bit of transfer, so it is long lasting. So that's why I'm like perfect for gym days or days where I need it to last a little bit longer than a normal lip. All right, final two. I finally got one of my Becca lipsticks. I have been eyeing these for quite a while. It is the Ultimate Lipstick Love. And, oh, I love the packaging. I love the packaging of pretty much everything I got, which is good, except for this one. And the applicator of the Artist Couture. But this is the shade Tulip, which I couldn't really find the nude I was looking for. I feel like a lot of people love Sugar, and I think if you are a little bit paler than me, Sugar would be your shade. But I just found when I put on Sugar, it just looked like concealer lips. And sometimes I'm okay with that, and sometimes I'm like, yeah. So I wanted this on. See, so that is like the perfect pinky nude for my skin tone. I think this is by far one of my favorites in the lip haul that I got. Like, such a comfortable formula. I love the color. It does have that lipsticky smell. I wouldn't say it smells the best, but it's definitely not like bad. I think lipstick wise, it's like the floral ones are just not my favorite. This just more has like a lipsticky, crayon-y type smell. But love the color. Again, this is Becca Tulip. All right, and last shade I have here is Milk Makeup Skills. I feel like a lot of people love the shade Cream, but Cream wasn't really calling my name. It was more of like a rosy tone, and like I said, I like pink. I don't like rose, you know? So this was a little bit more nude, and obviously that's what I'm going for here. Okay, so this is the shade Skills. I love the packaging on this. It's like that magnetic packaging, and I love the white, so it'll be easy to find. That's essentially what it is. Like, but man, I feel like they're making bullet lipsticks like in very thick packaging lately, and I'm just like, I'm here for it. Anything that makes things easier to find, I'm all about. But I love this shade so much. I feel like you could pair it with different, this is like an everyday, like no matter what you're wearing, this is going to work out for me. Okay, so that is it for my lip swatch video. Let me know what you thought, which ones were your favorites. Did you guys pick up any of these? What shades did you get? All that good stuff. I love hearing from you guys. I hope this was enjoyable and useful. So that is it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. I'll see you guys in my next video.